Hello, what's up guys? How you all doing? I welcome you all to this very YouTube video. Here this is Jotec Hustle. Here we talk about how to make money online, how to succeed, especially through cryptocurrencies. If today is your first time coming around, I will encourage you to make sure you subscribe so that you'll be able to get our videos daily. Just like the way I talked earlier, I am here to talk about Pi network. Yes, Pi is no longer a news, and it's not as if it's something new again. Pi is all over the world right now. Many people are mining with over millions or so many millions of miners or users. And just like the way I said earlier, I'm going to talk about how you can mine your Pi, and not just mining your Pi, at the same time how you can use it to buy. A lot of people have mined Pi, but they don't know how to use it to make use of their Pi, though some persons are already selling their Pi. But presently there are locations whereby people are using their Pi they have mined already to buy some gadgets and electronics here in Nigeria. It's happening in so many other places in the world, but I come across one video online whereby you can use it to buy use your Pi to buy gadgets, electronics in an electronics mart. So if today is your first time coming around here, please, I will oblige you to subscribe. Let me quickly take you to my Pi page. So when you go over to the description box below of this very video, you will see a link you can use to register on your Pi. So this is my own Pi browser. I've opened my own app, and when you register, you can register with your email or your phone number, but I encourage you to register with your email. It's very easier, so that you'll be able to locate your account whenever you change your phone. So the app is trying to load. I'm trying to open my own app to show you how Pi looks like. So when you open your Pi, every day you come around here to come and mine. Just click on this very place the arrow is showing. Just click on it in order for you to mine. So once you click on it, come over here and click mine. You start mining. Automatically you start mining. So that is how you can mine on your Pi. Automatically it will start mining. Though sometimes when you try to mine, you will see some ads that will pop up. But you can just remove the ad if you don't want to watch. Don't get tired of mining. I know a lot of people are saying, when are they going to launch this Pi? It has been a very long time. This is blah 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 blah. So this is how Pi network look like. As you can see here, mine is already mining. I have over 28,260 Pi that I've mined already. If you have not registered for Pi network, please go and mine Pi now. Go and mine it. It's very important. So as you can see here, if you register with my link, I want to take you around to see how it looks like. Okay. On this very home page here, you can see this is the MINED. This is the MINED. Here you can check your MINED list to check if you are qualified to do your KYC. For those who have not done their KYC, I've done my own KYC, just waiting for results. And over here, you can just navigate around. If it's your first time, just come over here, and where it says referral team, make sure you refer people. Make sure you mine your Pi every day. Register with my link. The link will be on the description box of this very video. When you register with the link, make sure you come over here to join my team. I will show you where you can come to join my team. Then over here that says invite, use that very area to invite people. Make sure to join my team. When you join my team, it will be easier for you So once you come over on your platform, go over to this place that says chat. Once you have registered, okay, it's trying to open, it's trying to load, it's trying to load. Yeah, you can see so many platforms where you can join to get information. Go over to this very site that says Jotec 7 referral team. Go there to join. If you join through that very place, I will be giving you update information on what you need to do about your KYC, and other things you need to do to succeed and mine Pi very fast. So just like I said earlier, I don't want this very video to be long. This video is all about how you can mine your Pi, and not just mining your Pi, and also where you can sell your Pi or use it to buy gadgets or electronics, because some individuals are already using it to buy some gadgets and things they want all over the world. But this one is exactly in Nigeria. I come across that very video online. I would like you to watch that very video. Go and see that very video for yourself. So please, this video here is to oblige us to be very serious with our Pi. If you have not registered, try and register, and as you do so, you will definitely succeed. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate. On our next video, I'm going to make 1 or 2 videos on how you can create your wallet where you can store your Pi. Thank you very much. Peace out.
Good morning once again. My name is Bednat Emmanuel. Yesterday I talked about you using your Pi to purchase electronics items, products here at BIS Leona Plaza, Akure, Ondo State, where the thing they do, where the thing they make sense with your Pi. Come along. Yes. Look around, we have beautiful products. We have 32 inches, a lot of inches, any inches you want. In there here, just come with your Pi. You feel purchase any good where they here, any product where they here. We have big flat screen. Can you see? When you have your Pi, now once again, we are telling you, mine your Pi. It is very important. Mine it as if tomorrow will not come. Mine, keep on mining, mine every day. See product full, cooler for here. Are you getting me? With your Pi, you can purchase anything conveniently at BIS Leona Plaza, Obadeshida Road, Akure, opposite Unity Bank, beside SOS. Come with your Pi, come and spend, come and buy product, enough product. See this big screen. My brother, bring him, come here now. See this big screen. You can purchase it just with few of your Pi. With few of your Pi, yes. Come around, come spend your Pi. Then by MINED, now on a big show. By MINED, you go enjoy enough product. See, come on, let's see. Let them see. Yes, can you see? We still have more. We have all this for you. Look at the furnitures. Beautiful furnitures for you. Come with your Pi. Come and purchase enough of these products. We have all it takes to get you started. We have all it takes to make your home cooler. Thank you very much. Keep mining your Pi. My name is Bednat Emmanuel. Have a nice day. Up high.